Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a fragrance collection tag. I was tagged by Josh Jane, part 2. I originally did this one a while ago and I will put a link to that video down below. Since then, I have decluttered many of the fragrances that I spoke about in that video. I have acquired many fragrances since, so you will see different answers to the questions. And before I jump in, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much. Please hit that like button, the subscribe button, and activate that notification bell. Let's jump right in. So the first question is, what is the newest fragrance in your collection? And my answer to that, the Kayali fragrances. This is Kayali Deja Vu White Flower 28. And along with this one, I had also hauled the Kayali set, which comes with the mini fragrances. It looks like this. It's a mini set like this, and I hauled both of them during the VIB sale, and I have been loving. Next question is, what is the oldest fragrance in your collection? Now, people keep in mind that some of my older ones have been decluttered, so I no longer have them. So at this point in time, my oldest one is Alien by Mugler, and this fragrance just gets me every time. This is an Andalic Jasmine. This is Amber Woods. This is just one of those very sexy, beast mode, undeniable scents, and this has been the one that I've had the longest. So the next question is, what is the most expensive fragrance in my collection? And the most expensive one would have to be Roja 51 from Roja Parfums. Look at the bottle, it's stunning, and this indeed is the most expensive. This one has a crazy high price tag, and it smells beautiful. It's a beautiful scent. If you want to see my review on this, because this is a newer acquisition, I'm going to post the link down below. So if you want to check it out, I give a thorough, detailed review on this fragrance. I'm going to spray some on. Good. Next question is, what is the most affordable fragrance in my collection? And for that, I have Fancy by Jessica Simpson. This is a very affordable fragrance. It's a cheapie. I've had this one for quite a while now. It's beautiful. It's gourmand. It has caramel. It has florals. It has fruits. It's vanilla. It's just delicious. It's delicious smelling, and the price tag is very good. The next question is, what is your favorite Easy Reach? And for that, I have to go with Chanel Chance Au Tendre. This one is just a very mass appealing, very likable, easy to wear scent. It's citrusy, it's bright, it's sparkly, it's fruity. It's really an easy reach. It's a great white t-shirt and jeans scent, and you can wear this to a special occasion as well. So the next question is, what is your favorite bottle design? And I have to say that it's the YSL Libre Intense. This is stunning. It has the gold hardware, the cap. I just think this is brilliant. It's absolutely stunning. I have quite a few bottles that I really like the design of, and I had to pick just one, unfortunately. So I kind of went back and forth between a few, but this takes the cake. I think this is perfect. It's beautiful. I adore this. Next question is, what is your smallest bottle? And for that would be Ari by Ariana Grande. This is so cute and playful, and I love this scent. I never decluttered this one because I just love the scent. It's very youthful, very playful, very girly. it has that juicy couture vibe to it. It's floral, it's fruity. It's a beautiful, sparkly, effervescent, uplifting scent. What is your biggest bottle? And to that, I would have to say Rihanna Rebel. This is my biggest bottle. I have some big ones, but this takes the cake, and it's shaped like an Eiffel Tower. It looks like an Eiffel Tower. I wish I had bought the smaller one because at least it's a little more compact, but yeah, this one is huge. This question is, which of your fragrances has the best memory association for you? And the answer to that would have to be Kissing by Kilian. And this fragrance brings back memories of this summer that just passed. I have been wearing this a ton to the beach. Every time we had a family trip down the shore, I wore this scent, and it's just so delicious. It's hot milk, it's sugar, it's lily of the valley, and it just gives such a beautiful sillage, especially with a breeze. And it makes me think of summertime, going to the beach with my family and just enjoying the sun and beautiful setting. I really love the scent. So this is my beach association scent. Even though this smells nothing like a beachy scent. This doesn't have any of coconut. This doesn't have your typical beach scent. But I've been wearing it to the beach this summer, so that's why. The next question is, which fragrance was worth the hype? And of course for that, I will have to go with my Delina Exclusive. And I think she was worth the hype. She's beautiful, rhubarb, it's rose, it's sweet, it's milky, decadent, it's delicious. It's a very unique scent from anything that I own or smelled before. It's a completely different interpretation of a rose scent, and I just adore this, and I think it's definitely worth the hype. Which fragrance was not worth the hype? And I think I'm gonna get a lot of backlash for this one. Don't hate me, guys. Don't hate me. But I bought a travel size because I wanted to try it first. This is BDK Rouge Smoking. Shh, don't yell. So, why such harsh criticism? No, I think this is a beautiful scent. I love cherry scents. This is smoky cherry. It's a really great scent. However, I do own quite a few cherry scents, and I have developed cherry fatigue. I still love wearing them, of course, but I just don't think that this is worth the price tag. The lasting power is not the best, and I don't find it the most unique. Yes, it's a smoky cherry, and some of the ones I own have a smokiness to them, maybe not as much as this. I can layer one of my other cherry ones with a smoky fragrance. I don't think it's unique enough for the price tag. Otherwise, I think it's a beautiful, lovely fragrance. I do enjoy wearing this. I've been wearing this a ton. But I am not going to splurge on the full bottle. I don't find it full bottle worthy. So therefore, I don't think it's worth the hype. The next question is, what is your favorite fragrance from your favorite fragrance house? And the answer to that is Gentle Fluidity Gold by Mason Francis Kurkdjian. I love the house of Francis Kurkdjian, and this one is my favorite out of the ones that I have tried. I have tried Baccarat Rouge 540, I have tried Grand Soir, I tried Gentle Fluidity Silver. So I haven't tried all of the fragrances from his house, but from the ones that I have tried, then my favorite. I have been loving this one very much. It's a very gentle, very airy type of scent, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's feminine, it's feminine, it's light, it's elegant, and so this one is my favorite from MFK. The next question is, what is your most used fragrance? And for that, I looked for the fragrance that I put the biggest dent into, where I can see the juice. And it's the Mon Guerlain Sensual Flanker from Guerlain. And as you can see, this is probably the biggest dent that I've put in any of the other fragrances that I own that I can see. Some bottles are not see-through and I can't really tell. So I had to go with this one just because it looks like this one has been used the most, and I've used this one a ton. I've used it all through spring, summer, fall. I've been wearing this a ton, and yeah, so this is Mon Guerlain Sensuel from Guerlain. And that concludes the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you back here soon. Take care.